Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. The previous class I given a homework to read Unit 5 in a textbook. In this class we are going to see Unit 5 poem. The topic of the poem is trees. It is written by Shirley Bower. Okay. So take page number 83. Now I am going to teach the poem. Listen carefully. Page number 83. The topic trees. Take a few minutes to tell another names of trees that you know or have heard of. Mention the things that trees gives us. Then read this poem about trees. So trees, that it is a general topic. We all know about trees, types of trees, and what are the uses we get by the trees we know. So in this poem, very simple concept. It is written by Shelley Bower. Okay, listen. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make tree house in, trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. See, trees are for birds. So trees useful for many things. So first it is used for birds. Trees are for children. Usually children are play under the tree we know. Trees are to make tree house in it. So who make the houses in trees? The birds. Trees are to sing. So it is used to build your swings. Trees are for wind to blow through. So it is used to give the shadow and the wind to the people. Trees are to hide, begin hide and seek. If you want to play hide and seek, we can play under the tree. It is very interesting. The people love most. Trees are to have tea parties under. So in the village areas we can see so many people they are sitting under the tree and bring a tea coffees. So it is used for tea parties. Trees are for kites to get caught in. So if you are play kites, it will caught in the trees. So the children are like very much to kite playing under the trees. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Here it is given the shadow to the people at the summer time. Trees are to make no shade in winter. So in the winter time, so it is given not sad. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears, and we can get the fruits from the trees we know. Trees are to chop down and call timber. So if we cut down the trees, we can get the timber. It used to make the and build the house. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make father stay. What a lot of leaves to rake his fall. Listen, now I am going to tell the summary. Trees are generally our best friends. Yes, we know. They are also friendly to the children. They give us timber and fruits to the people. One can make the houses in trees. Trees are provided with the space for wings, and of course, the wind blows through them. Children can play hide and seek behind the trunks in the game. It is very interest to them. The grown-ups can organize tea party under them. The kites get caught in tree branches. Trees gives us cool shade in summer. So in the summertime we get shadow from the trees. They keep us warm in winter by giving fuel. So in that warm time we can get fuel from them. Mothers find trees good for painting lovely pictures, and of course the father gathered dry leaves in atoms. So very interesting, very simple concept. It is given by author Shelley Bower. So I hope all you are understood and enjoyed this poem. So you can draw your favorite tree in your home and you color it. Okay. So and of course we can talk about uh, uses of trees in the class so many times. So it is very useful to understand this concept. So now I'm going to give the extract for the poem. Now all of you take your English note and write the extract without mistakes. Okay. Dear students, take your English note and write the topic trees and the author's name and write the extract questions. Questions. There are 5 questions given. The first one, what are trees? Forests. The options are A. Friends, B. Guardian, C. Enemies, D. None of above. The answer is A. Friends. Second one, what do the children do with trees? A. They move around them. B. They climb them and pluck fruits to eat. C. They hide behind them while playing hide and seek. D. They do their homework under cool shades of tree. The correct answer is C. They hide behind them while playing hide and seek. Third one, we can organize dance under trees. A. Meetings. B. Public debates. C. Marriage ceremony. And D. Tea parties. The correct answer is D. Tea parties. Fourth one, what get caught in the branches of tree? A. Cloths. B. Kites. C. Papers. D. Files. Here the answer is B. Kites. Fifth one, which of the following words in the opposite to reveal? A. Cut. B. Hide. C. Gather. D. Allow. So the correct answer is B. Hide. Okay. So that's all, my dear students. The next class we can see lesson 5, prose. Okay. So before that you all read and understood the summary. Okay. So we can discuss in the next class. Thank you.